So what we're looking at here is a little preview of the teachers' tools that are available, some of the teachers' tools that are available. So what we have here is the first unit of the first lesson in Bootstrap Algebra. You can see that there's an agenda outlined here with the minutes spent in each section here. These are recommended amount of time that you would spend in each section. Over here you have, an overview of the unit, what you're going to be accomplishing. You have specific outcomes defined here. You have standards that are tied to it, okay? And you can take a look here. They get into more specific details if you roll over them, okay? So here's an algebra standard or a number sense standard, etc. for different grades. And here we have in this lesson, all your glossary, your terms that you're going to have there, materials that you'd need, and here we have what you need to do in advance to prepare. So it's detailed here, and it has all the information that you really would need to be prepared. Then as you go through here, if you can click on this thing that says show or hide teacher's notes. So this can be something you just keep up. It literally breaks through what things you can say, and when it tells the student to go to the workbook, you can pull that up on the screen and fill this stuff in with them. You can also show teacher's notes, which are really nice. That just kind of gives you video you can watch, or tips of what you're really looking for, and how to correctly or best implement the lesson that you have here. So in this first lesson, the kids play a video game. They start out by playing a video game. Then they break down the video game, what's changing in the video game. They take a look at, they start to learn things about the number line and the coordinate planes, and do their very best to identify location on the screen, etc. In addition to the teacher's notes and this information here, you do have a discussion group you can go to. I'm going to skip that for a second. You have slides, which is a way for you to present to your students that you can work through. Okay, so this can be a guide for you if you're a person who prefers to have the slideshow. They have a slideshow right here for you. Okay, step by step, walk you through the lesson. And then other materials that you have available to you. Let me go to the, sorry, just a second here. You have your other materials here. You have the teacher's guide, which has everything that you need in it. You have the workbook solutions, so you have all the answer key, all those slideshows that are available to you, the access to the forum to get support and help if you're confused, not sure. All of the lesson videos are available. Grading rubrics to be used, and then you have a ton of extra, there's some videos and stuff there, extra exercises, worksheets that you can print for the students to do besides what's in the workbook. If you want to assign homework or you want to have something, you have the original and you have the answer key for each one. So these are some of the things that are available on the source files for the work that the students will be doing. These are some of the things that are available to you. The teacher resources are locked and only accessible by contacting bootstrapworld.org and identifying yourself as a teacher. And once it's confirmed, then you will get the access, the password, and everything you need to get in.